houses and abandoned mansions have long been a fascination for many across the United States. These eerie structures stand as silent reminders of a past long forgotten, their crumbling facades hiding untold stories of tragedy and despair. In the heart of New Orleans, the LaLaurie Mansion looms ominously over the French Quarter. Once owned by the wealthy socialite Madame Delphine LaLaurie, the mansion gained notoriety for the horrific acts of torture and abuse that took place within its walls. Rumors of ghostly apparitions and blood-curdling screams have plagued the mansion for years, making it a popular destination for thrill-seekers and paranormal investigators alike. Further west, in the desolate desert of California, lies the abandoned town of Bodie. Once a bustling gold mining town, Bodie now stands frozen in time, its dilapidated buildings serving as a haunting reminder of the town's violent past. Legend has it that the ghost of a young girl roams the streets at night, her mournful cries echoing through the empty buildings. In the rolling hills of Kentucky, the Waverly Hills Sanatorium stands as a grim testament to the horrors of tuberculosis. Thousands of patients pass through its doors, many never to leave alive. Reports of shadowy figures and disembodied voices have made Waverly Hills a hotspot for ghost hunters looking to capture evidence of the afterlife. In the heart of the Midwest, the Lemp Mansion in St. Louis, Missouri, holds a dark secret. Once the home of the wealthy Lemp family, the mansion became a house of tragedy after a series of suicides rocked the family to its core. Visitors to the mansion report feeling a sense of unease and dread, as if the spirits of the Lemp family still linger within its walls. On the rugged coast of Maine, the abandoned Fort Gorges stands as a silent sentinel overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. Built in the 19th century to protect the city of Portland from enemy ships, the fort now lies in ruins, its crumbling walls a stark reminder of a bygone era. Locals tell tales of ghostly soldiers marching through the fog-shrouded grounds, their spectral forms disappearing into the mist. In the swamps of Louisiana, the Myrtles Plantation is said to be one of the most haunted houses in America. Built in 1796, the plantation has a long and bloody history, with tales of murder, betrayal, and revenge haunting its halls. Visitors to the Myrtles report seeing the ghostly figure of a young girl playing in the gardens, her laughter echoing through the night. In the shadow of the Rocky Mountains, the Stanley Hotel in Colorado has gained fame as the inspiration for Stephen King's novel The Shining. Built in 1909, the hotel is said to be haunted by the ghost of its original owner, F.O. Stanley, who can still be seen wandering the halls in his Victorian-era attire. Guests at the Stanley report hearing strange noises and feeling a sense of unease, as if they are being watched by unseen eyes. From coast to coast, haunted houses and abandoned mansions stand as eerie reminders of a past long forgotten. These silent sentinels hold untold stories of tragedy and despair, their crumbling facades hiding the ghosts of those who once called them home. For those brave enough to explore their dark corridors and shadowy rooms, these haunted houses offer a glimpse into a world beyond the veil of the living, where the spirits of the